Hi guys, welcome back to Be Rich. We might be hearing some noises in the background. Sorry about that. We have some construction happening in the building we're in. So unfortunately now and then you'll hear some rather strange noises in the background. So please do bear with us. Today I thought we'll take up an interesting comment someone had put up.
Okay.
Let me just pull that comment out. So give the credit to the person who gave us the comment. The comment is from Abhilash Ravichandran, who had posted. This is what he has said, Keshav. What is it that you would recommend when you already have a 2-bedroom house and you have liquid cash of 20 lakhs? Would you recommend building 2-bedroom and a hall above the existing, or simply have it as an asset and live in a rented house and invest 20 lakhs in the Nifty 50? And in this case, the existing 2-bedroom house is not enough as the family will get bigger when the person get married in the next 5 years. Sounds like something like you're going to go through.
That's it. It seems like he's one of my age person.
Yeah,
Okay.
sounds. There's a lot of questions. He's asked nice question, but a lot of details I would have liked to know. Exactly. I mean, is he saying that he's going to continue staying in this place till he gets married, or is he going to need to rent a place? A lot of questions. So I took a lot of assumptions and I did a calculation.
Okay.
So we'll go through this. And at the end of it, you can recommend. Keshav will recommend a course of action on what he thinks you should do. I'll present both options to Keshav, and Keshav will think about it and say which he recommends for you. Ravichandran. Correct?
Okay.
Okay, so let's assume 2-bedroom BHK. We do not know which area it is. We don't know if it's in Chennai, if it is in Mylapore or in Porur. So I assume to take a place like Porur, generic, outer city limits.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let's say he's staying in this 2-bedroom place and he's saying he's got 20 lakhs. He wants to increase his income. So either he can build on top of his house and he can rent it out. That's a passive income coming to him.
Okay, sir.
Or he can take the 20 lakhs and invest that and live off that passive income. I mean, have a passive income, that investment grows. So both these options we wanted to see. So let's say we take 20 lakhs first, right?
Okay.
And we buy 20 lakhs, we buy a bond which gives 11% monthly return. That's around 18,300 rupees tax-free lands in your account. And we take that 18,000 and we put it in the Nifty index for 5 years.
Okay.
Because let's say he's getting married in 5 years. He's getting married in 5 years. So we'll take 5 years first.
Okay.
First window period is 5 years to see what's going to happen in 5 years. 5 years, the Nifty usually will, if we take Nifty 5 years ago, 2018, we were at 10,400 around.
Okay, sir.
Now we are at 17,600. Okay, so it's around growing around 13% annually. So invest 18,300 rupees every month for 5 years. You would have invested 10,98,000.
Okay.
Okay, and your return, profit, everything put together, you would have got 15,51,990. You
Okay.
understood? So end of 5 years, you still have your house you're staying in, and your 20 lakhs is still there in bond. Plus you would have made an additional
15 lakhs.
Correct. So you have 35 lakhs, and you also have your house you're staying in. This is option 1.
Okay.
Option 2, we build. It'll take minimum 2 years to build. Okay, you have to apply for permission. Not only building, you're only thinking, hey, why are you saying 2 years, sir? You can build within 9 months. But you have to apply for permission. You have to get an architect. Right? You have to go meet the correct government officials and do handshake and make him feel happy and you feel happy. You see Rajnikant's movie. The amount of people he has to make happy. Right? Sivaji.
Saw that.
What a boss. I'm getting there. What a boss. So anyway, so you do that, let's say take 2 years, somehow you manage to build it. So you rent. Right? An unfurnished 750 square feet, 2-bedroom place in Porur, you'll get around 10,000.
Okay, sir.
So that 10,000, let's say you take it and you do Nifty. Correct?
Okay.
Because you want your investment to grow, right? So you're taking that money and you're not eating that money. Instead of 18,000 every month, you're putting 10,000. But 2 years has gone by. So only have 3 years. So say the same comparison. So 3 years you invest. Same period, Nifty has gone from 12,200 to 70. They're still growing at 13%. So you've not lost in Nifty percentage growth. So you have invested around 3.6 lakhs in 3 years' time. That would have become 4.42.
Okay.
Right? 4.42. At the end of the 3 years, a 750 square feet flat in Pore Road will sell around for 30 lakhs because it's already 3-4 years old. It's not a brand new flat. So come on, 3-year-old flat.
3 year.
So it goes around for 30 lakhs. So you have around 34 lakhs in your hand. The first calculation, what do you have?
35.
35. Okay, that's liquid cash in your hand plus your house.
Hmm.
Here you have liquid cash in your hand, 4.5. But you have extra dwelling of for 30 lakhs. Correct. Interesting thing will happen. You get married, like the man said. Now that small house is not enough house.
Yes, sir, we have to build.
No, you have to take the full house. So you don't take it off rent. What will happen? You don't get any more rental income.
Correct.
Correct? Understood what I said?
Yes, sir.
What is he saying in the video? 5 years from now, I'll get married. My small house will not be, my 2-bedroom will not be enough.
Will I build or not?
No, why will you go build? You already built, no? The tenant, you'll chase the tenant out.
Take the full
Your
house.
new wife will say, Ananga, it's upstairs. Our own place, why go rent? We'll
Correct.
save money. We'll throw that guy out. You throw the guy out and take the full building. Correct? Ground floor, 2 bedrooms. First floor, 2 bedrooms. Maplay, father-in-law is very happy with Maplay. Got 2 independent dwellings. Maybe father-in-law also like to move in. Because you got a lot of space now.
Correct, sir.
Correct? Everyone's very happy. And you got also 30 lakhs house value now. Added to your ground floor house value, which we don't know. So that 30 lakhs is there. So let's move forward. 15 years.
Okay.
You're married, you have children in school. Correct? Now, the question comes, let's continue projecting forward 15 years. You same 18,300 you keep investing.
First time.
Correct?
Okay,
First 20 lakhs. In this instance, you don't have the roof above you. You somehow manage to stay in a small house. Or you rent that bottom house out and you move to another place which is bigger. Okay? And you take some of your money and you start spending on extra rent.
Okay.
That option. Otherwise, I'm assuming the guy somehow, because he wants to become rich, he'll tell his wife, be quiet, we'll manage with this for some time. If children come, they have an extra room for the kids. I'll stay in one room, you and me stay in the other room, 2 bedrooms, done. You tell your father to come visit on weekends and say hello and go. He cannot move it. Correct?
Understood, sir.
So you give up. You delay your gratification, as Anand says. So you stay in that place and you invest the 18,300, you keep on investing. 15 years from now, you're invested 32.94 lakhs.
Okay, sir.
And your investment would have grown with everything combined together to 1 crore, 1 lakh. Okay, in 15 years.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You have liquid cash of 1.01 crores in 15 years. Flip. You have that house on top of you, right? You take the 10,000 rupee. You still, same argument you apply there. Saying, sir, I can still have that place rented and tell my wife I will not take full house and stay in the ground floor alone. And I'll invest that 10,000. What are you telling me? I can apply the same rule there. You will sell me, right? Correct? That logic.
Okay, sir.
That you stay in the same ground floor and you keep the top floor rented. So that 10,000, let's say you keep investing for 12 years.
12 years.
That would have investment would have come to 14.4 lakhs. That total return will only be 34.7 lakhs. But you will say, sir, my house is still there. What about that value? That house value, new house at that point of time, 12 years from now, will cost around 70 lakhs. But this is a new house. Your house is already 12 years old. So unfortunately, it will only be worth half, around 35 lakhs.
Okay.
So 35 plus another 35,
70.
35 plus 35 is
70.
But here you have
1 crore. 1 crore, 1 lakh.
Okay. Now let's move forward by 25 years. 25 years for you is normal. It's coming to my age. Right? You're still living in that small place. Foregoing gratification. Saying, when I retire, I want to retire goat. Right? So you've taken that 18,300 is still investing. That's all you've been investing. Nothing more. You're not adding from your salary. So your wife can't complain. Your children can't complain. Only from the extra rent you've been investing. Of course, the rent will go up. I have not factored that in. I'm assuming we keep the same rent.
We are keeping the interest from the bond.
Yeah.
Right, sir?
Correct. We're not even added that bond extra 20 lakhs. Okay. We're keeping that. Like that bond, that's why I'm not counting that bond 20 lakhs and that 1 crore 1 lakh.
Okay.
Same way, I'm not giving you rental increase. The argument you can give me, sir, that 10,000 will keep going up. Correct. So to say, counter that, I'm saying the 20 lakhs of the bond I'm not counting.
Okay.
Correct? So 25 years goes on.
Hmm.
You would have invested 54.9 lakhs.
Okay, sir.
That would have become 3.6 crores.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Meanwhile, your house, which you've been investing, the 10,000 rupees you've been investing, that you have invested 26.4 lakhs. That would have become only 1.5 crores. But your house, you'll say, I still have the house. That house, a brand new house at that point of time, 2-bedroom house in Porur will cost you around 1.3 crores. But your house is now almost 25 years old.
23.
So if you take half, nobody will pay you that much, but if you, because who will go by half the price if 25-year-old building you own by even now? You'll think 2 times. You'll say, sir, it's very old. You'll get around 65 lakhs.
Okay.
So 65 plus that 1.5 crores will be around 2 crores and a bit. Here you have 3.6 crores.
Yes, sir. Solution one is much better, sir.
Correct. There are always arguments. Guys will keep giving. The major advantage you tell me in what in solution 1? What is the biggest advantage which I told you about?
Biggest.
Which solution 2 cannot give you?
Solution 2 is
the house building.
yeah, sir. It's a time.
One advantage, forget the difference in money. Let's say somehow you argue with me and the money is the same. Somehow you come out and you argue with me saying rent will go up and this and that, and you factor, I'll keep painting the building, it will not go down in value, everything. Something you give me some gas and you say how it is very close to same. But still solution 1 is better. Why?
Sir, because we are not investing on the house.
Very close. You're almost there to the answer. Think a little further. I've told you the answer. In your own situation, I told you.
I'm just thinking if we invest on the house, the money will get down, sir. If we invested on the house, building the top roof.
You're trying to complicate the answer. From getting close to the answer, you took a U-turn and you're going back to where you were.
Sir. Investing.
The simple answer is it is liquid cash.
Ah,
I told you this. If your father closed his eyes, God forbid, and in your village hometown is left 1 acre of land, you have to go all the way goddamn there and try to find someone to sell it.
Yeah, sir.
Then that guy will come back and broker will tell you, sir, you said 1 crore, but I can only find someone for 50 lakhs. You don't know. You'll be like, to hell with it.
But here we have liquid cash.
Here,
we have liquid
if anything
cash
happens, your family has liquid
cash in hand.
Cash. Liquid cash 3.6 crores. So suddenly you want to move, get a better job in Timbuktu and you want to leave. How? Just do bank transfer. Money is gone.
Understood, sir. Now.
Understood?
That's why we take.
Another advantage is in index funding, you know your actual money value every day. In real estate, there is no way of knowing what the actual value is. It is all pretend value in your mind. Everyone tells you it is worth 1 crore. But you do not know it's worth 1 crore till you go to the market and try to sell it. It's like, a good example would be like when you want to get married. You may think, I deserve Aishwarya Rai. But the person who is marrying you must look at you and think you're Abhishek Bachchan, no? If she thinks you're Shah Rukh Khan, she won't marry you.
Fine, sir. Correct, sir.
Correct. The point is she has to think you're Aishwarya Rai.
I have one question, sir, which I asked to Anand,
Sure.
sir. I will ask to you, sir.
Sure.
I asked Anand, sir, that everybody is saying buying a house is a good thing to do. Because if I have 20 lakhs in my hand and I will get a loan of 80 lakhs, I'm going to buy a 1 crore house, 80 lakhs. I will repay the amount in some time, the tenure time. Then my house will, on buying, the house is cost around 1 crore. After buying, I leave it for 5 to 10 years. Then it will cost around 1.5 crores. The half crore is a profit for me. They think so, sir. But what I'm saying is right or wrong, you say, sir. If we buy the 80 lakhs loan, sir, we have to pay the interest for that. The interest is more than the principal, sir. Will go more than the principal. It will cost around 2.5 to 3 crores, sir. It's a waste of money. Still, some of us not understanding, sir. I don't know.
That is because I told you the answer to this. Change comes in society very slowly. Okay, you learn who do you trust the most? Your family. Your family is full of elders who lived in a generation, they were your age 50 years ago. 50 years ago was the stock market in India?
Sir. No.
Only option I told you was gold or real estate. They said bank on real estate, it's safe. Your money is secure, growth is there. Now the world is different. Mindset has to change. Changing mindset takes time.
Understood, sir.
problem in society. I told you this.
Hmm.
We now know through education and all this in science, all human beings are the same.
Hmm.
Right? It too in all movies dramatically they'll show you. The hero, my blood, your blood, all same blood. Right? The blood is in you, is the same blood in me. Dun, 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 dun. But as soon as you leave the theater, you're back to your mindset. Because it takes time to change that. It doesn't change overnight. Even you. Habit forming is a very slow process.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Even breaking a bad habit, like what you're struggling with, is a slow process. You know how slow it is. You don't want to do it, but you're doing it. It's not actively you want to hurt yourself, but you're doing it. And you're not able to understand why you're doing it.
True, sir.
And you get angry with yourself. That's the same thing with investing. Next video, I'll explain. There's a nice comparison. The main reason why your generation is not becoming rich. It's not about investing. Believe it or not, it's not because you're not investing. It's something else altogether. Investing is not the problem.
It's related to mindset or something, sir?
No. I'll tell you in the next video.
Okay, sir.
All right?
Okay, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like, share and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell button. If you forget to hit the bell button, whenever you post a video, the video will not show up to you. Thank you for watching. Be rich.
Today I want to tell you that I'm going to be in Singapore, and we are going to have an event on the 29th of April 2023. My team will let you know the location later as we come closer to the event. But the event is fixed on 29th at Singapore. Those who want to meet me in Singapore, either at the meeting or personally, can contact the WhatsApp number below or send a mail to the mail mentioned below. I will see you in Singapore. Once again, thank you for your support for Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.